In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop in Microsoft Teams 2026. Microsoft Loop components let you and your teammates co-create content directly inside a chat or channel post, with everyone editing the same live block at the same time. They're perfect for quick decision making, collecting inputs, and keeping information up to date without jumping between apps. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing into your work or school account. Once you're in, choose where you want to collaborate. You can use Loop in a one-to-one or group chat for fast back and forth collaboration, or inside a channel post if you want the whole team to see and participate. Just make sure you have permission to post in that space and consider where the conversation will naturally continue so your Loop component lives where people will use it. In the Message Compose area at the bottom, look for the Loop Components icon in the toolbar beneath the text box. It typically looks like a small loop symbol. Before you click it, make sure the message box is empty. Starting clean helps keep your Loop component separate from any regular text so your content is easy to find and edit later. Click the Loop icon and you'll see a menu of component types. Pick the one that fits your task. Use a table when you need rows and columns for structured information like features and owners. Choose a checklist if you're tracking simple to-dos that multiple people can check off. A task list is great when you want assignments, due dates, and status in one place. And a voting table helps a group quickly compare options and indicate preferences in a transparent way. Choose the simplest option that gets the job done. Simpler components are faster for teammates to understand and update. Once your component appears in the Compose area, add your initial text or data. Provide a clear title or a first row that explains the purpose. Keep entries short and consistent so the content stays scannable. If you're using a table, add a header row with concise labels. For checklists and tasks, write action-oriented items that start with a verb. When you're ready, click Send in a chat or Post in a channel. Your Loop component is now live. Everyone in that chat or channel can edit inline simultaneously, with changes updating in real time. You may see indicators showing who's typing, and updates are saved automatically so the latest version is always visible. That's it. With a clear location, the right component type, and a clean kickoff, Loop in Teams gives your group a single source of truth that moves as fast as your conversation.